Dear student, yesterday we have learned how to draw ray diagrams for the image formation by concave mirror. Today we shall see how does a convex mirror form the image of the object. This is convex mirror. It is pole of the convex mirror. This is principal focus and it is center of curvature. Consider it is an extended object placed in front of convex mirror. Now we will take a ray parallel to the principal axis. Following the laws of reflection, this ray of light, after striking the mirror, will reflect in such a way that the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, and it appears to pass through the principal focus. So we will take a ray parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, this ray appears to pass through the principal focus. We will take another ray which is directed toward the center of curvature. And since this is a normal incident, therefore this ray of light after striking the mirror is reflected along the same path. Now to the eyes, these reflected rays, this one and this, appear to be diverging from a point behind the mirror. And this point is the image of the object. Now you can see that these rays are not actually diverging from this point. They are appearing to diverging from this point. Therefore, the image formed by the mirror is not real, rather it is virtual. You can see it is erect and smaller. Now if you draw ray diagrams at different position of the object, you will always find that a convex mirror always form virtual, erect and smaller image. Therefore, we will have only one case to show the formation of the image by the convex mirror. Okay? Now after discussing the image formation by spherical mirrors, Today we shall discuss the practical application of the spherical mirrors. It is very important segment of the lesson because direct and indirect questions are asked from this section. First of all, we shall discuss the practical application or the uses of concave mirror. A concave mirror is used as a shaving mirror or makeup mirror. The principle is that when the object is between pole and principal focus of the concave mirror, it forms virtual, erect and enlarged, magnified image. जब ऑब्जेक्ट प्रिंसिपल फोकस के बीच में होता है तो कनकेव मिरर एक बड़ी सीधी इमेज बना करके दिखाता है। इसकी इसी प्रॉपर्टी के कारण से इसको शेविंग मिरर या मेकअप मिरर के रूप में जाना जाता है। एंड फॉर द सेम रीजन इट इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड बाय डॉक्टर्स, डेंटिस्ट ऑल्सो यूज दिस मिरर। The mirror is placed behind the teeth. The teeth fall between the focus and the principal focus. An enlarged virtual image is formed and the doctor can see if there is any cavity or problem in teeth. The second use of the concave mirror is it is used in the headlights of automobiles. Principle is that the bulb is located at the principal focus. Obviously, the light rays from the bulb are coming from the principal focus and therefore they are reflected parallel. And result is that a large area, a long road of the road is illuminated. ये इस प्रिंसिपल पर आधारित है कि बल्ब हेडलाइट जो होती है उसके फोकस पर होता है। जब लाइट रेस फोकस से आएंगी तो पैरेलल रिफ्लेक्ट होंगी और दूर तक का जो रोड है वो इल्यूमिनेट हो जाता है। So this is the second use of concave mirror. Concave mirrors are also used in solar concentrate, in solar furnaces. In solar furnaces, concave reflector or parabolic reflector are used to reflect the light, sun's rays at the focus. And as a result of this, a large temperature is produced here. The principle is the rays of the light coming from the sun are parallel to each other. They are reflected and converge at the principal focus. And the temperature at the focus is raised to a very high degree. So these are some of the uses of the concave mirror. Now let us discuss the uses of convex mirror. Convex mirror is used in street lights. When light rays strike on the mirror, they are diverged. And result is that a large area around the bulb is illuminated. तो कन्वेक्स मिरर का यूज किया जाता है स्ट्रीट लाइट्स में। बल्ब से आने वाली लाइट रे जब कन्वेक्स रिफ्लेक्टर से टकराती हैं तो डाइवर्ज हो जाती हैं और आसपास का क्षेत्र अच्छी तरह से प्रकाशित हो जाता है। कन्वेक्स मिरर is also used as a rear view mirror in automobiles. The convex mirror used in automobiles enable the driver to see the traffic behind him without turning his head. A plane mirror can also be used as a rear view mirror, but its field area is small as compared to the convex mirror. You can see this is the field area of the convex mirror and this is the field area of the plane mirror. So plane mirror is not very useful as a rear view mirror because it has very small field of view, whereas a convex mirror is very useful because it has a large field of view. So let us recall again. Concave mirror is used as a shaving mirror or makeup mirror, and it is based on the principle that when the object is between focus and pole, it forms a virtual, erect and highly magnified image of the object. And for the same reason, it is used by the doctors. Concave mirror is also used in the headlights of the automobile. The bulb is placed at the focus. The light rays coming from the focus, when you strike the mirror, they are reflected parallel and large road is illuminated. A concave mirror is also used in solar furnaces. In solar furnaces, it is used to concentrate the sun's rays at a point. Convex mirror is used in straight lights. The reason behind is that the light rays coming from the bulb, when you strike the mirror, they are diverged to a large area. Second, it is used as a rear view mirror in automobiles. It is used as a rear view mirror because it forms virtual, erect and smaller image. Due to its specific shape, it can cover large area behind the automobile and enables the driver to see the traffic behind him without turning his head. Hope you understood. That's all today. Thank you.